Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable flower. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, cut a piece, and lay this down into my Bowdabra. And I just like to cut it long enough so that it can tuck underneath the ends. Then I'm going to take this mesh ribbon and I'm just going to make a scrunchy bow by just feeding it in, and I'm just going to kind of shape it out right here. Then I'm going to take my green ribbon, and these will be the leaves of our flower. So we just cut pointy ends, and we're just going to put the leaves, and you can see that I'm sort of shaping it as I go. And what I like to do is fold a little mountain in the middle, so when it goes down, it kind of creases, so everything has a nice crease. Then what I'm going to do is take my flower, which again on this one, rather than cutting a point, we curved the ends of the leaves. And I'm doing the same thing. And this is just a beautiful Morex satin ribbon that we do sell in the Bowdabra store. Lay that down. Then I'll take my mesh and I'm going to finish with another scrunchy bow like I started. Just lay that down into the Bowdabra. I'll take my wand, give everything a good push. Take my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it up. I'm going to bring it through the slip knot, which I made so that I could easily tie it off. Then I'm just going to pull my flower out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot, and there we go. Now I want to thank you so much for watching, and you have this beautiful little flower. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.